Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my top 5 ingredients that I use to boost my black rice water. So if you guys want to see what those are, stay tuned. So as you guys have seen in some of my previous videos, I definitely am a fan of using rice water. I actually started out by using regular rice water, but found that the black rice water worked a lot better for my hair. It actually stopped my shedding, and it also increased the strength and the thickness of my hair. Some benefits to using rice water are that it actually increases the elasticity of your hair, which actually makes it stronger. It improves surface friction, which will reduce split ends and breakage. It is full of antioxidants. It adds sheen and volume to your hair because it is thickening your hair when you are applying it. It doesn't rinse off. It leaves like a coating on your hair after you rinse it off, which is what helps to strengthen and protect your hair. And it also adds protein. So one disclaimer is that if you are protein sensitive, you should definitely be cautious when you use rice water. Pay attention to your hair and see if it is causing you to have more product buildup, or if your styles are not turning out as defined or as moisturized as they usually would if you did not use the rice water, because that might be a sign that rice water is not working for you. So you might want to either reduce the amount that you use it or stop using it altogether, because there are tons of other great ways that you can strengthen your hair that are not rice water, and if you're protein sensitive, they will be beneficial for you as well. So I can link some of the other videos that I have that you can use as an alternative to rice water in the description box and up above. So make sure you check those out if you have not seen those already. So I'm sure by now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, then you would have already seen my other videos on black rice water and how I use it. And I thought that I might as well look into some other ways and some other ingredients that I can add to my black rice water just to help it increase my hair growth, and also to add other beneficial ingredients in there as well to help out with other issues that I have with my hair. So I came up with a list of the top 5 ingredients, because I do have a way longer list, and if you guys want to hear everything on that list, leave a comment below and I will make another video on that. But for today, I'm just going to tell you guys the top 5 ingredients that I found. So number 5 is pretty obvious. If you make rice water or you've seen how it's made online, then you always know that people love to add essential oils to their rice water, and my list is no different. I definitely do add a bunch of essential oils depending on the outcome that I want, but the ones that I love to use the most are peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and tea tree oil. And I also like to use lavender as well. Some of the benefits to adding essential oils to your rice water is that, for one, it definitely helps to reduce the smell. So if you find that your rice water smells bad, then essential oils is definitely something that you should add. Another benefit to adding essential oils is that they are antimicrobial, antifungal, and they just protect your scalp. If you don't have a clean scalp, then your hair is not going to grow. So you definitely want to make sure that your scalp is clean and taken care of. So if you are not adding essential oils, make sure that you at least add a couple in there, because they are extremely beneficial, not only for rice water, but also you can add them into any of your deep conditioners or your shampoos or anything like that, because the effect that they have on your hair is immense. And I mean, why not stimulate your scalp and get your hair to grow a bit more? So number 4 is to mix your rice water with a tea of your choice. And some of the teas that I like to use are green tea, chamomile tea, and papaya leaf tea. So one amazing thing about green tea is that it's rich in catechins, and catechins actually reduce DHT. And it also helps with scalp dryness and dandruff. Chamomile tea is amazing because it fights dandruff as well. It also soothes any scalp irritations that you might have, and scalp dryness as well. And it also helps to promote hair growth. Papaya leaf is a tea that I have not heard of too often, but it does have a lot of benefits. So papaya leaf actually is an amazing leaf that you can make into a tea. You can add it to any of your tea rinses that you use for your hair. And I have been experimenting with it in my rice water. Papaya leaf is actually great because it prevents balding and hair thinning. And it also contains a component called carpane that targets dandruff and removes dirt and oils from your scalp. And number 3 is aloe vera, and I absolutely love using aloe vera for my hair and for my skin as well. It's really great to soothe any irritations, and it also helps to regenerate your skin cells. One reason that I like to use aloe vera in my rice water is because it contains proteolytic enzymes that remove and repair dead skin cells on your scalp and on your skin as well. It also balances the pH level on your scalp and on your hair, which then makes it easier for your hair to absorb the nutrients and the benefits of the rice water and the aloe vera. And it also helps in moisture retention as well. It also fights fungus, bacteria, and any skin irritations on your scalp. So ginger is my number 2 pick because it is very beneficial for your hair. It definitely stimulates your scalp, which then causes blood flow to increase to your scalp, which then makes your hair grow a lot faster. It is full of essential fatty acids, which prevent hair from thinning and falling out. It's a cure for dandruff since it is a natural antiseptic, and it also adds a lot of shine to your hair. And my number 1 pick is onions. So believe it or not, onion juice is actually very great for your scalp because it boosts the level of an antioxidant enzyme called catalase, and this enzyme actually optimizes your hair growth cycle. Onion juice also nourishes your hair follicle. Onion juice is also rich in sulfur, and sulfur actually nourishes and regenerates your hair follicle. And it also minimizes hair thinning and hair shedding. Its antimicrobial properties keep your hair and your scalp extremely healthy, and it also stimulates the scalp and increases blood circulation, which, as you guys can guess, increases your hair growth. So with all of those ingredients combined with your rice water or your black rice water, this will definitely boost the effectiveness of your rice water when you were applying it to your hair. Along with using rice water as a rinse, you guys can also add rice water to like a deep conditioner, or you can make extra moisturizing leave-in with it as well. Yeah, there are many ways that you can use rice water. If you guys want to hear more items on my list, then definitely leave a comment below letting me know, or give this video a thumbs up so that I know you guys enjoyed it. And if you're not subscribed, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're always notified when I upload my next video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.